Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, staring at your to-do list tasks piling up left and right. Now, imagine you don't have to do any of those things. What if there was an AI that could do all of it for you, from managing your emails to planning your shopping list, and even creating full presentations with just a single command? Sounds like something from the future, right? Well, guess what? The future is here. OpenAI has just shocked the world by releasing something called ChatGPT Agent. And it's not just a simple chatbot. It's a full-fledged AI assistant that can automate tasks and handle complex workflows like never before. So, what exactly is this new ChatGPT Agent? How does it work? And why should you be excited about it? Let's dive in and find out. OpenAI has just dropped a game-changing tool that's set to completely transform how we interact with technology in our day-to-day lives. Introducing the ChatGPT Agent 10 Advanced AI that goes way beyond writing essays or chatting about random topics. This isn't just another chatbot. It's an AI that can manage tasks for you using its own virtual machine. It operates completely independently from your device. So you can think of it as a super-powered assistant that's always there to handle your workload, saving you hours of effort every single day. Now, instead of just summarizing articles or writing poems, ChatGPT Agent can take on full-on task automation, web interactions, API integrations, and even help with things like managing spreadsheets and creating editable presentations. OpenAI's latest release is a major leap forward, and in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about it. Let's explore why ChatGPT Agent is the AI you've been waiting for. The evolution of ChatGPT, from simple bot to superpowered agent. To understand how big of a leap ChatGPT Agent really is, let's take a quick look at the evolution of OpenAI's models. Over the years, OpenAI has given us some incredibly useful tools. We've seen GPT-3 and GPT-4 generate impressive results, with text generation, answering questions, and even performing specific tasks. But OpenAI's previous systems were mainly focused on interacting with users via text. They could chat, write, and answer questions, but they couldn't actually perform tasks in the real world for you. Enter ChatGPT Agent. Unlike its predecessors, ChatGPT Agent takes everything that was good about these earlier models, like the conversational interface, and adds powerful new tools. This includes terminal access to run commands, API connectors that integrate with apps like Gmail and GitHub, and the ability to interact with websites. With ChatGPT Agent, OpenAI has built a system that's not just a chatbot, but a virtual assistant. Capable of acting independently, it doesn't just respond to prompts, it can carry out tasks on its own, without requiring constant input from you. What ChatGPT Agent can do, automating your tasks. So, let's talk about what ChatGPT Agent can actually do. The first thing to know is that this AI is a serious multitasker. Forget about spending hours on your to-do list. With ChatGPT Agent, you can delegate tasks and let it take over. For example, let's say you need to perform a competitive analysis for your business. You don't have to go online, open multiple tabs, and search through tons of articles. You have to do is give ChatGPT Agent a single prompt, and it will automatically gather data, analyze it, and create editable slides that you can present. You won't need to lift a finger except for typing your initial request. The AI handles everything from gathering information to generating a report. Pretty amazing, right? But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT Agent can also help with things like grocery shopping for a meal. You just tell it what meal you want to cook, and it'll automatically add the ingredients to your shopping cart and even complete the purchase with your confirmation. Of course, supercharged with web browsing and API integration, one of the coolest features of ChatGPT Agent is its ability to interact with websites and other online services. It can browse the web just like a human would, gathering information from multiple sources, analyzing it, and performing tasks in real time. Example, it can connect to your Gmail, read through your emails, summarize them, and even respond to them on your behalf. ChatGPT Agent can check your Google Calendar, find free time slots, and even schedule appointments. It integrates with apps like GitHub, so it can pull data from your code repositories, analyze recent commits, or even write code based on what you ask it to do. It's also super intuitive to use. Once you've connected your accounts, you don't need to keep logging in over and over. ChatGPT Agent can seamlessly switch between different services and workflows, making it easier than ever to get things done. ChatGPT Agent's performance beating expectations. What really sets ChatGPT Agent apart is its performance. OpenAI has tested it against a series of expert-level challenges across more than 100 fields, and the results are nothing short of impressive. For example, when it was tested in the field of frontier math, a notoriously difficult area filled with complex and unsolved problems, ChatGPT Agent scored 27.4%. While that might sound low, it's actually 4 times better than the previous top performer, GPT-4 Mini, which scored only 6.3%. This shows that ChatGPT Agent is able to handle difficult, specialized tasks and think through complex problems more effectively than its predecessors. But it didn't just stop at math. In tests for business tasks, like creating financial projections, performing competitive research, and building amortization schedules, ChatGPT Agent outperformed human experts in about half of the tasks. It handled complex modeling tasks typically done by investment banking analysts with ease. The spreadsheet test, a real-world example of performance. Spreadsheets are a big deal in the business world, and ChatGPT Agent passed a crucial test called the spreadsheet bench. In this test, ChatGPT Agent was asked to handle real-world spreadsheet tasks that would normally require a human expert. It scored 35.27% overall, which is pretty impressive considering it's an AI. But when it was given direct access to edit.xls files, the score improved to 45.54%. Now, human experts scored 71.33%. But when you compare ChatGPT Agent to other AI tools like Excel's Copilot, which only scored 20%, it's clear that ChatGPT Agent is in a class of its own. The results show that it's not just about generating content. It can organize data, create models, and manage complex workflows in ways that can seriously help businesses streamline operations. Web tasks. Setting new records in web navigation. Another area where ChatGPT Agent shines is in web tasks. It's able to surpass previous benchmarks in web navigation, meaning it can find specific, hard-to-locate information faster and more accurately than ever before. In one test, ChatGPT Agent achieved 68.9% accuracy, a 17-point improvement over OpenAI's previous deep research model. But ChatGPT Agent doesn't just find information, it can also act on it. So, if you need data from a website, it can not only collect it, but also make decisions and take action based on that data, such as updating databases or sending emails. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for handling tasks that involve the internet and web services, security, and privacy, keeping your data safe. Now, let's talk about security. With all these powerful capabilities comes the question of privacy and safety. OpenAI understands the potential risks of this technology, and they've taken serious steps to make sure ChatGPT Agent is as secure as possible. For starters, ChatGPT Agent doesn't have memory like the regular version of ChatGPT. This means it doesn't store any personal data after a session ends. So, you don't have to worry about it remembering your passwords or keeping track of your sensitive info. OpenAI also has strict safeguards to prevent prompt injection, a technique where hidden malicious code can trick the AI into performing harmful actions. ChatGPT Agent is designed to resist such attacks, and it's always going to ask for your permission before taking actions like making purchases or sending emails. Additionally, there's a watch mode that lets you supervise what the AI is doing in real time. If it's managing your calendar or responding to emails, you can see everything it's doing and intervene if needed. The future of work, ChatGPT Agent's impact on productivity. With ChatGPT Agent, OpenAI is changing the way we think about work and task management. The idea of a super-powered assistant that can handle so many different tasks opens up endless possibilities for productivity, whether it's scheduling meetings, doing research, or generating complex reports. ChatGPT Agent can do it all without the usual time-consuming effort. It's not just about automating mundane tasks, it's about boosting creativity, speeding up workflows, and freeing up mental space so that you can focus on the bigger picture. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, it definitely seems like it. With its advanced task automation, web interaction capabilities, and superior performance in real-world tasks. This AI is more than just a tool, it's a game changer. Whether you're looking to save time, improve productivity, or get more done with less effort, ChatGPT Agent has got your back. The future of AI isn't some distant dream, it's already here. And with ChatGPT Agent leading the way we work, interact with technology, and even make money will never be the same. So, what do you think about ChatGPT Agent? Will it change the way you work? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting updates on AI and the future of tech. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next one.